Today let's make mushroom curry with coconut milk.
I start by chopping my mushrooms and chopping my onions into smaller pieces and separating the layers. Here they are. I also blend tomato and onions to make a smooth paste and I keep it aside. In hot oil, add chopped onions and saute them till they are soft and slightly brown. Today I'm using red onion, but any onion is fine. Once the onions are soft, I'll set it aside for the next step. In hot oil, I add all whole spices. Let the spices bloom about 30 seconds or so. Add our prepared onion and tomato paste and cook it till it thickens and changes color. Then we add our ginger garlic paste. Keep cooking at medium. In go all ground spices. Keep cooking on medium and always have some warm water ready. If the paste is too thick, add few tablespoons of water. Add all the mushrooms and mix mushroom and spices till all the mushrooms are coated with the spice mix. We'll add half a cup of water. Bring the mixture to boil. And once it's boiling, we'll cover it with a lid and continue cooking on low for about 7 to 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. In 10 minutes, we'll add coconut milk, kasuri methi, and some salt. As always, salt is to taste. Boil it for a few more minutes, then add prepared onions, and you're done.